Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can create a new issue in your account on GitHub in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to GitHub, log into your account and click into these three lines in the top left. And you may navigate to the home section or directly to the issue section. That's up to you. If you stay at the home section, simply click into that plus new create button top right and select new issue, or alternately head over to the issues here. And from there, simply select new issue and start creating it. Now, what you want to do is select the repository first. So click into the drop-down menu and select one of your repositories. After that, select a template or a blank issue and start customizing it. Add a title like example issue number 1. Excuse the small typo here, and you may describe it below here, and also go through these text formatting tools if you like. You may add a hyperlink to your issue description, add numbered lists, bulleted lists, task lists, mention someone by using that button here, or enter commands by using that button here, and then I don't know, command image or something like that, and so on and so forth. So what you want to do after that is focus on that list below. You may, for instance, assign labels to your issues. You may assign your issue to a project or to a milestone, or ask Microsoft Copilot to write your issue description for you. And also you may assign someone by clicking into this button. So let me assign my own example account to that issue. And in the final step, click into create here or press enter. And after that, the example issue will be created, and you can navigate to it by heading over to the issues section or tab within your repository. And that's how it works, guys. If you'd like to create more new issues here in your repository, there's that new issue button here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.